guys, this is Dr. Pasha Mukherjee. Before we start the video, make sure you press that subscribe button right now. Also press that bell icon so you are notified the next time I post a video. Today I'll be reviewing a brand called Alumier. I've been using Alumier for just over a year now. Just before I was about to go in for Miss England, I went in to a skin clinic near me, Medical Cosmetics. They reviewed my skin, and at the time my main skin problems was having combination skin where I was having intermittent breakouts, dry skin and sensitivity. I remember being a model, I would always go in to have my makeup done for shoots and shows and stuff like that, and every time the makeup artist would use any sort of brushes on my skin, I would feel burning on my skin, literally, and it always meant that I would get a breakout during shoots or after shoots. My skin was just super sensitive to anything, okay? So I remember saying this to the Medical Cosmetics team, and they looked at my skin, and there were two main concerns that they had with my skin, and one was sun damage, and two, I'd been using really abrasive skin products on my skin, which had basically stripped some of the natural oils and protective layers of my skin. And I wasn't moisturizing well enough, so my skin was very, very dehydrated, sun damaged, and just needed some TLC, okay? So one of the first products that they gave me at that time to help rejuvenate my skin, bring that healthy, youthful, early 20s glow back, because my skin wasn't looking like it at all, was this one right here. This is the Hydra Boost. You see that? Alumier Hydra Boost. This is a facial cleanser. I remember using this for the first time. It felt so soothing for my skin. I had gone from using these super soapy products on my face because I just needed to cleanse and clean and feel like everything had been taken off, to now using this really super soft and gentle cleanser, which at the same time did clean my skin properly. I was blown away by how soft and gentle this was on my skin. I remember using a 15ml version of this product in India as well. So even whilst you're traveling and being on long flights, long haul flights, you're around a lot of pollution and heat, you're having to wear lots of makeup, I really recommend this for that. I'm just going to look at the ingredient list right now. So this one actually has vitamin E and argan oil, which, I don't know about you, I hear those two and I always think good stuff. But more than that, I think if I can tell you anything about you using this product, I really like this. Okay, so that's Alumier, the cleanser. Now I'll talk to you about the other concerns that my skin had at the time. As I said, my skin was so stripped back and damaged from everything that I'd been using on it previously that it really needed some TLC. And this is where the Ultimate Boost Serum comes in. This right here. It comes in a really cute packaging, which you have to roll up like this and it just comes out. You don't have to dig your finger into a pot. I think that really works for me because then you just get more shelf life out of these. Each of these products, they last 9 months. A lot of products in each of these bottles, and they last you a long time. You only need 2 pumps for your entire face. This is such a beautiful product on your skin. I honestly fell in love with this, and this is my 3rd package that I've got through. It's something that you use straight after cleansing. Honestly, this one you can apply and apply over and over again as many times as you want. This one has niacinamide in it. Niacinamide is an ingredient that is especially good for brown skinned people because it makes the appearance of pores, the appearance of blemishes, it makes that go away, literally, okay? That's the least scientific way I explained it, but it also has sodium hyaluronate, I can never say that word properly, hyaluronic acid. Again, one ingredient that you have to have on your ingredients list, especially as I said, my skin was dehydrated. This is great for bringing that hydration back onto your skin. Such a beautiful feeling. I fell in love with this, okay? The next product, what else did I say about my skin concerns at the time, was in fact sun damage. So, with regards to sun damage, I had been wearing these really cheap drugstore sunscreen products from drugstores and Poundland and stuff like that up until this point. Up until this point, I hadn't worn a good facial sunscreen, okay? And honestly, I haven't found another one that beats this one right here, which is called Sheer Hydration SPF 40. But yeah, that's what it looks like. This thing is so nice and smooth and soft on your skin. It glides on and it literally doesn't have that oily feeling that you get from majority of drugstore sunscreens. It has titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, which slightly better than your normal sunscreens, chemical sunscreens out there, because it actually starts to work as soon as you apply it, as opposed to normal sunscreens that are only chemical based, that literally sit on your skin for 15 minutes before they are active. So I think this is a super good product in that way. And another thing I really like about this product right here is that it's paraben free, and that means that it's actually safe to be used on children as young as 6 months of age. So just imagine you're actually using something on your face that is safe enough for a baby. So this is super, super nice, this product. It's got SPF 40, which is great. And I was told that although you should be ideally reapplying your sunscreen every 2 hours if you're under prolonged sun exposure, you ideally should be doing that every 2 hours, but you can get away with one of these to apply it once and then not apply it again. That's if you're not under constant sun all the time, okay? I do think that you should check that with your skincare provider, because they're going to give you a tailor-made information guidance on this matter, because it sort of varies person to person. So that's the Sheer Hydration. Now with the Sheer Hydration, recently I was given the Alumier's AGE serum. This is the one that I use in combination with this, because this right here is the vitamin C serum that I was given. Just to give you guys a little tip, when you combine your SPF with your vitamin C, you basically have a super strong SPF, okay? These two work in combination perfectly, but never wear your vitamin C serum outside without sunscreen, okay? Because vitamin C is super volatile and makes your skin react rather to the sunlight, so you don't want to do that, okay? So this is the vitamin C serum. I know that the AGE thing right here, this has got some next scientific thing that it does in your skin. I'd like to leave an information video down here in the link below, which can tell you all about the way this product actually works, because there's a really clever lady who goes into a lot of detail about all the Alumier products that I'd like you guys to watch, just so you get a double whammy review of this brand. I forgot to also mention that just like our cleanser right here, the Sheer Hydration also comes in a little baby package as well, and you can actually get a little travel pack with your Sheer Hydration SPF, your Hydra Boost, and also a recovery balm, which I was using in India. I thought that was enough for my skincare. I didn't need to take anything else with me. I loved it, okay? So now we're going on to the next two products, which is, again, something that I came across for the first time, Retinol. People who are into skincare are going to love this product, because retinol is something everybody over the age of 25 needs to start incorporating into their system, okay? Retinol, or retinoic acid, is basically vitamin A, which your skin loves, bear in mind, okay? And it's great for your neck and for your face. I actually didn't used to use this on my neck, but I'm going to start doing this very, very soon, start it on my neck, because what this does is basically anti-age. Retinol promotes collagen growth. It's something in as higher concentrations we give to people with acne and acne scarring, because it actually promotes regeneration of your skin. And it also makes your skin purge when you first start using it. This product in itself has lots of fun ingredients in it as well. It's got retinoic acid, as I said, niacinamide, which, as I said, reduces the appearance of pores, witch hazel, but the main ingredient is the actual retinoic acid, the retinol, which I think worked really nicely for me. It really tightens your face. You wake up with a really tight face and tightened pores. I think it's great. Now on to the next serum that I have. That is the Calm R serum. Now this serum, I don't think it's for everybody, okay? I'm going to be honest here that I hardly used this serum for the whole time that I had it. This is mainly for the days when you're having those breakouts, the redness. It's for sensitive, redness-prone skin, and it's called Calm R because it literally calms your skin. And last but not the least, I have the Bright and Clear solution. This is their toning solution. I know this thing works because I wasn't using it properly first, and then I started using it properly, and it literally does work. I was having on this side of my face some red acne spots. Not even spots. I didn't have acne. I've never had acne, but I was having some scarring, okay? And I was using this in the last couple of weeks. I've been using this every day, literally, on a cotton pad like this, couple of pumps of this, and again, you're not digging your fingers in, so you get more use out of this. You just pump this here and just dabbing it on your skin. And it actually does over time reduce that scarring or any hyperpigmentation you have, and that's because this product right here has active ingredients that promote, again, that regeneration. They promote that, you know, anti-pigmentation pathway essentially. So this product right here has lactic acid, and it really helps to exfoliate that top layer of skin on your face and anywhere else you're putting this, and gets rid of that debris, okay? So a lot of the products that I've described right here today are actually full of these really good ingredients like hyaluronic acid, like AHAs, which really good for hyperpigmentation, you know, glutathione, what else did we say? Retinol, obviously has retinol, active retinol in it, lactic acid, and SPF, of course, which are all these great ingredients that you want on your skincare list of ingredients. It's sometimes difficult to find it all in that long list of ingredients at the back, especially with these big scientific names. But what I can say about Alumier is that it's a completely science and medicine-based brand, and it is actually recommended by licensed professionals. So you can't just buy this off the website or any old shop. You actually have to get these products from a licensed skincare provider. So I got mine from Medical Cosmetics, that's based in Nottingham. They are working with these products day in and day out, so they know all about it. And what they do is they look at your skin and give you a tailor-made guidance of how you should be using these products, what you should be doing for your skin. So I think that's what I would recommend all of you. These were one of the first brands that I started using that was slightly higher end, and I wanted to try something which was science-based because I'm a person of science, I'm a doctor myself, and I was so glad that the brand that was being recommended to me was backed by science, and the people who were recommending it to me, Medical Cosmetics, they have a GP, you know, Dr. Ash, who does the main running of the clinic. He's a doctor, he's a medical doctor, and the estheticians there are actual nurses. So they know what they're doing, they've had that training, so it's not just any old person. And that's why I would say go for a brand like this, which doesn't just get sold willy-nilly, and you actually have to find the right people to sell this to you. Another thing which I've recently come to find out about this brand, which I didn't know before actually, because honestly at the time I didn't really care about this enough, but obviously since winning Miss England I've become a lot more aware of the impact of the brands that I use on the environment and on animals. So I was really glad to know that this product is also cruelty-free and is fully recyclable. The packaging, everything is fully recyclable. So thank you all for watching. If you want more such interesting little tips and reviews, then please subscribe to my channel and like this video, comment on this video, leave me a feedback, good or bad. You can dislike this video if you really don't like it as well. Share this video, press that bell icon so you don't miss another video like this, because I'm going to be posting loads of these type of videos. And follow me on my social media, especially on my Instagram. I'm really active on my Instagram. Follow me on Twitter and Facebook as well if you really want to. The description is all below here. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.